Hello everyone, welcome to today's JavaScript tutorial. In this lesson, we'll learn how to extract the middle three characters from an odd length string. Let's jump in. The task is to extract the middle three characters from a string. This only works if the string has an odd length and is at least 3 characters long. For instance, from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, we should get C, D, E. Let's see how to achieve this. Here's the JavaScript function. We first check if the string's length is odd. If it is, we calculate the middle index and use the slice method to extract the middle 3 characters. If the string does not meet the condition, we return it as is. The process involves verifying the string's length, calculating its middle index, and using the slice method to extract 3 characters centered around the middle. This approach ensures precision in handling odd length strings. In this example, the string ABCDEFG has a middle index at 4. Using the calculated range, we extract the characters C, D, E. This demonstrates the function's call logic. Here, the string HTML5 has its middle 3 characters as TML. The function efficiently identifies and extracts these 3 characters. For short odd-length strings like PHP, the entire string is returned as the middle 3 characters. Naturally, include the entire string. The ES6 version condenses the logic into a single line, using the ternary operator. This approach is concise yet maintains clarity for experienced developers. To summarize, this program efficiently extracts the middle 3 characters of a string when its length is odd. The slice method ensures precise substring extraction based on calculated indices. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I will see you in the next one.